Welcome back. You may want to display a page from another part of your site to the page that you're working on. And you can do that inside of HTML with the iframe tags. And to do that, we're going to display the iframe tags within the text. So for example, if we were to pick a space in this paragraph and we were to say we want to place a website or we want to display a website after the word helpful, what we're going to do here is we're going to go to the next line and we're going to insert a string of text here. And when you see the string of text, what you're going to notice is that you have the word iframe, then the source. Now the source is going to be a page from our existing folder. If we wanted to use a page from a different website, we would have to put the exact address in this space within the quotations. We've also chosen to display this frame at a certain height and width. So we've defined that by pixels. We've placed this at 200 by 300, and we can make this whatever we want it to be. And of course, then we're going to have the closing iframe tag. Whenever we do this, what's going to happen is that our site is going to display the other page right in this area. What we can also do is we can center the iframe. So for example, we can then put in center tags. And then what you'll notice, if we go to the WYSIWYG editor, you'll notice that this frame now is centered. So what we're going to do is we're going to upload this image now to our site so that we can take a look at it and we can tell exactly what's happening. And you'll see our frame defined. You'll notice that we have scrolling bars because we made it so that it would display 200 by 300. And we're displaying the entire page. Now, of course, we can do a much better job of this by making sure that we define this sizing so that it's closer to the margins and displays more of the site that we want to see. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.